Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Toyota app not working. So if your Toyota app is also not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So if your Toyota application is not working, it might be because of two reasons. Either your application is not updated properly or you haven't cleared the cache of your application. So first of all, let's update your application. All you have to do is go to Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see a search bar over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now search for Toyota. Now you can see over here several options will appear. Tap on the application Toyota. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to see the update option and all you have to do is tap on it. And after that, your application will be updated. That should fix your problem, but if your problem is still not fixed, you can try clearing the cache of this application. All you have to do is go to settings. You can see over here settings is opened. You can see several options over here. Find the option for apps, tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Find the application for Toyota. Tap on the option See All Apps. Now search for Toyota. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen just right next to the three dots. Now type in Toyota. Now you can see over here Toyota application will appear. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several app information over here. Find the option for storage and cache. Tap on it. Now from here you'll be able to clear the cache of this application. You can see two options over here, clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. My cache is already cleared, so this option is not enabled for me. But if your option is enabled, simply tap on it and your cache will be cleared. And after that your application should start working now. But if it still does not work, try uninstalling the application and reinstalling it again. So that is how you fix Toyota application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.